What is hosting? How do you get a domain name? What exactly do you need to create your own dropshipping site? Is it hard for a newbie? Let's make it clear. Hi, my name is Tanya and this is AliDropship channel. The AliDropship plugin I mentioned in this video is a special tool for dropshipping, which I highly recommend learning more about. You can do so on our website. Today, I'm going to help you learn more about the technical side of AliExpress dropshipping and how to pick the best solutions for your dropshipping store. As you will see by the end, anyone can manage it and easily begin their own dropshipping site. Before we start, I'd like to let you know that if you don't want to deal with the technical part at all, you can simply order a ready-to-go dropshipping store made by professionals especially for you. It will save you tons of time and you don't need to set up anything yourself. But if you want to do it yourself, this video will explain what you need to launch your own site. Let's get straight to it. To launch a smoothly running dropshipping store, you need a domain name, a hosting, a convenient content management system, CMS, a dropshipping tool, plugin, app for business automation. Let's look at them in more details. You probably already know what domain name is, but let's discuss it again for a moment. A domain name is the main part of your website's URL address. For example, take a look at our website's address. Here, alidropship.com is the domain name. It consists of two elements. The AliDropship part is called a second-level domain. The .com part is called a top-level domain. To make the process of creating your domain name easier, go on a domain generator website, such as NameMesh. There, you will enter 2 or 3 words into the search bar and press the Generate button. The system shows all the possible combinations of these words, so you can choose one. However, NameMesh doesn't sell the domain names. To buy one, go to one of the most credible and trustworthy registrants that are actively used across the globe, GoDaddy or Namecheap, and that's it. If you don't have a hosting, you can't make your store content visible to internet users. In other words, you need to buy hosting and pay for it every year to publish your store and make sure it's really running. Why do we recommend creating self-hosted standalone stores? First of all, it gives you great independence. You will not have to obey someone's ridiculous rules and policies. You will not lose your store if your account is banned. No one can suspend you if your store sells nothing illegal, of course. To run a dropshipping site powered by AliDropship plugin, you should get hosting that meets its technical requirements. There is also some great news. You can safely delegate all your hosting issues to us. If you buy AliDropship hosting, which suits e-commerce projects perfectly, we will set up Wordpress, AliDropship plugin and theme for free. Well, what's Wordpress and AliDropship plugin? Let's see. CMS is a solution that lets you create and manage content of your website. This way, you don't need to know how to write code. You can just use the CMS and post any content you need. Our team members always use Wordpress as the most convenient CMS. As you can see from our own dropshipping experience, we prefer this platform for several reasons. Wordpress is recognized worldwide as a universal multi-purpose CMS, and it is estimated to be one of the most commonly used platforms for online stores. It is free. You don't have to pay anything to integrate Wordpress into your website. It is easy to install, convenient in daily use and deeply customizable. It meets the safety standards and makes it possible for you to make your dropshipping store secure. But even though Wordpress is an awesome CMS, it lacks some functions that are specifically required to run an online store. This is exactly why your WordPress-based dropshipping store needs to be complemented with the AliDropship tools we have mentioned above. The AliDropship plugin helps your plain WordPress site become an online store. All the more, this store will be perfect for dropshipping needs. You can do the same operations that the plugin performs manually, but it takes hours and days to copy products from AliExpress and publish everything by hand, while the plugin can do it in a few clicks. You don't want to spend your life doing the same routine operations day by day, do you? The plugin automates these daily dropshipping business operations: importing dropshipping products, importing reviews, creating pricing markup formulas, updating price and stock, processing orders, sending shipping notifications, and so on. Check out this video to learn more about other AliDropship features. With the plugin, you won't need any other additional tools to start selling dropshipping products and earn money. What's better is that you pay for the plugin just once and no monthly fees occur. So it's all clear now. To launch your own dropshipping store, you need to buy a domain and hosting, then install WordPress on your website and add AliDropship plugin to it. Your big dropshipping journey starts now. What else do you need to know? And what will be the next steps? I recommend you check out our dropshipping blog to find all the necessary information. And please don't hesitate to ask me any related questions under this video. I'm here to help you. Note that instead of setting up everything by yourself, you can also buy hosting from us and get a free service of WordPress and AliDropship plugin already installed for you. Or you can order a fully ready-made store tailored to your preferences. Learn more about it from this video. This way you can start your own dropshipping business with no delays. Maybe this is your sign to start what you were waiting for. I hope so. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.